Hey guys, welcome back to Simply May's Thoughts. And today I thought I'd bring you guys a video more so on style in the workplace, how to remain professional as a black woman. I don't know about you guys, but I work in an office where there's majority. I'm the minority. It's a predominantly white institution, and so keeping my hair stylish but also making sure that it's still shows my identity is very important to me. And so I'm going to do a couple of hairstyles with my box braids. These are called box braids. I don't know what other way they call, some people call them boxer braids, but these are called box braids. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bunch of different styles with them, and we'll see what we can work with, okay? So let's stay tuned. And so I'm going to try my best not to use bobby pins and rubber bands, just because, let's be real, who really has the time before work to be pinning up your hair? And hopefully I can do a nice bun, or I can do some different styles without necessarily using bobby pins. But if anything, I have like rubber bands here for reinforcement. But most of these styles are styles that you can do without any reinforcement. So the first thing I'm going to do is the obvious top bun with some down in the back. But what I'm going to do is I am going to use a rubber band for this one. So let's see.
Alright guys, so here I am just doing the half up, half down style, making sure that I'm getting all of the sides, just so that you kind of give yourself a facelift while you're at it.
And so if you want, you can leave it like this, but I don't know about you guys, I hate when my rubber band shows. And so I always leave one out on the side here, just so that I can wrap it, so that the rubber band doesn't show, because I hate when my rubber band shows. And so it's more so just a lazy day style. If you just want to do something with your hair, but you don't necessarily want it to look like too much. See, now I am over the top. So I'll most likely put a bun.
So the best way to do this is to always start off pushing the bun to the back, because you kind of want the nice lump to be in the front. Not necessarily the lump, but you want to be able to design the front how you like it. And if you start off with the first piece coming to the front, it's going to be too bulky. So you see how the back has the most of the bulk, but the front has a nice layer to it. So this next style is going to be a very simple one. It's the one that you put to the side, just kind of show off your earrings.
Then after, we're going to take this same side style and we're going to put a braid in.
So braiding is actually simple, but not easy. And I know that a lot of people have trouble with braiding. Fortunately, I grew up with hairstylists around me. My mother's a hairstylist, my aunts are hairstylists, and so braiding is very simple. As you can see, I just braid it very quickly, but I do know that it's hard for some people to braid, and so I am open to helping you guys or explaining the process. Or the next time I actually put the braids in my hair, because I did do these box braids on myself, I will make sure that I record it for you guys. But look at this style, so simple, so pretty. I love this style actually. I get a lot of compliments. So because I know that not many people necessarily know how to do the 3-strand braid, I thought that the best thing to do would be a 2-strand twist. And this is a more so easier way to get the same style, but just a different pattern. And it comes out nice every time. So what I do is I'll just twist it in the front, and then I'll tuck the ends into the twist. I forgot to take a picture for the twist, but here's how it would look pretty much. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video. It helps me out. It helps the channel grow. We reached 1,000 subscribers. Let's help the channel get to 2K so that we can do a giveaway. Have a good day.